I need a lift. I need to be able to put fuel tanks in. I got work to do. Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Let's go build something cool. Hey guys, quick shop update for you. Just wanted to show you this. Not Trever, the big box. The big box. Let's see what we got. What do you think it is? That is a 10,000 pound lift from Derek Weaver Company. We paid for this one with our own money. Although we did reach out to them and ask them if they wanted to partner with us, and they said we're not big enough yet. So if you see this and you're interested in a lift, make sure you send them a message and tell them you saw it on our channel, because I'm gonna need more, all right? So this is from Fort Worth. It's made overseas, to be completely honest with you. But this is the third Weaver two-post that I have personally bought. And I've been involved in probably 6 or 8 of them over the years, and they are a very, very fantastic balance in performance and price and quality. I kind of know a thing or two about two-post lifts. I was dealership tech for a while. I've worked on good ones. I've worked on cheap ones. I've got a cheap one at the house. It doesn't have single point locking. It's got chain over the top. It doesn't have direct drive cylinders. This has all that stuff. Extra tall, extra wide, 10,000 pound capacity. I'll actually be able to put a 3/4 ton truck on a two-post lift. Maybe like my own. Maybe I'll be able to figure out my own vibration on my own pickup that's been haunting me for 3 years. That'd be cool. Or, as so many of you have commented on our Instagram pages, maybe I'll be able to figure out my check engine light on my truck. How about that? That'd be cool. Our neighbors, the glass guys across the hall there, they were nice enough to use their forklift and come offload it off the trailer. And we're gonna get this thing unpackaged and kind of get it started as far as the assembly process goes. And then we gotta play electrician, Zappy Sparky, all that stuff. Or I gotta call electrician. I gotta rent a scissor lift because we gotta run power all the way the heck up there. Yeah. So, I need a lift. I need to be able to put fuel tanks in. I got work to do. All right, progress has been made. There's marks on the floor. Tape measures have been strung out. We have gone over to the neighbors and measured their distance off of the door to be able to fit a long wheelbase truck with a long bed. Plan on about 16, 17 feet off the back wall, or off of the door at this point. So we kind of worked with that, and we got some expansion joints here in the concrete. We know those are gonna be relatively straight, so we're gonna start with that. All right, we got this mark. Got that mark. I gotta move this. I'm just gonna pick it up and carry it. It's gonna be great.
Oh, Hercules, Hercules, Hercules. What?
Okay. We gotta put our top pieces on, and we gotta put our cross brace on, and then we'll double check the bottom and make sure it squares. And then we'll put our anchors in, and then hang the arms, and then we gotta call the electrician. All right, as you can see, we have got the columns up. We have got the crossbar on. It's bolted up. Safety switch is going together. Trevor's working on the release catch. All right, so basically this bar right here, when you raise the car up and it's too tall, it kicks this switch right here. So we just gotta switch this thing around. It's gonna go like that. All right, so that way. Ooh, a little too much. A little too much, because if that goes, then it won't work again. I gotta mess with this thing. See if I can figure it out. Hey, look at here. Okay, need a little wiring, need a little more fluid, and then we'll be rocking and rolling. We gotta run her up and down a couple of times, and we gotta, that one probably needs a little tension. Let's see, is it loose on the left? A little loose on the left, that's all right. We're getting pretty close. Getting pretty close, getting pretty close. We're just about there. So we're at, let's see, what time is the truck?
It is 10:30.
10:30. Okay, so between Trevor and I, we are about 5 hours. So with both of us at this point, 5, maybe 6 hours at the most. So you and a buddy can put one of these up in a day, unless you have to call an electrician and rent a scissor lift to go all the way up there. So, and if you don't let the magic smoke out of your hammer drill. Lift update. Damn it. I burned up my drill, as you know, but mine's just like a hammer drill. This right here is from the neighbor, because I told him I was gonna go rent one, and he was like, no, I got one. So we're wired up, we're hydraulic. We're gonna call it a night. It's 6 o'clock. Tomorrow, we put our first truck on the lift. Our first vehicle on the lift. And that opens us up to being able to do more projects again and not have to roll around on the ground. So, thank you for watching. We sure appreciate it. And we'll see you on the next one. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share, and comment. Tell us what you think. Tell us if you like what we're doing. If you don't like what I'm doing, tell me why. Constructive criticism. Thank you. I appreciate you all.